Did you know Converter Magic repairs catalytic converters in 10 easy steps?
Hey, here we are all bunkered down, quarantined. So I figured I'd take this opportunity to shoot some videos. I'm quarantined here in my boat's where I spend most of my time. So let's go live. Nothing fancy. Let's just talk about the catalytic converter repair business and how Converter Magic and the Converter Magic catalytic converter repair system can help you to make $100 or $200, up to $300 an hour repairing catalytic converters. So listen, if you're a capable mechanic and maybe you're already doing repairs in your neighborhood, maybe you're doing it in your garage, this is an opportunity to add catalytic converter repair to the work that you're already doing. Now, the Converter Magic catalytic converter repair system was designed to repair and restore function to a worn out catalytic converter without having to remove the catalytic converter from the vehicle. So we say, look, don't replace your catalytic converter, repair it with the Converter Magic catalytic converter repair system. So you can, in about an hour, repair and restore function to a worn out catalytic converter. Your costs on this repair are going to be under $100. So how much would it cost if your client went to the local repair shop? $600, $700, $800, $1,000? You can save your neighbors, your customers, your clients tons of money repairing their catalytic converter with the Converter Magic catalytic converter repair system. So listen, log on to convertermagic.com. Look through all our instructional videos. Now listen, this isn't entertainment. This is designed so that you can gain the knowledge necessary to use the Converter Magic catalytic converter repair system to begin to build a business. Learn how to repair and restore function to a worn out catalytic converter in 1 hour without having to remove the cat from the vehicle. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell so you get all of our videos. And I'll see you next time.